Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. If you are experiencing Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this problem. So first solution is toggle off Wi-Fi and turn it on again to fix your problem. So open the settings here. Here you can see Wi-Fi. Tap on it. So if you have Wi-Fi toggle is turned on, turn it off back and turn it on again to fix your problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and then turn it on back. So go to the settings. Here you can go to the general and scroll down and now you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. So if this solution is also not working, then we move to another is forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi network. Go to settings. Here you can go to Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi and first you can forget this network. Forget, tap on this and then again connect it to fix your problem. So firstly you can connect it and tap on join to connect your Wi-Fi. So if the solution is not working, then we move to another is reset the network settings. If the issue persists, you can reset network settings. So just simply go to settings here, again go to general and scroll down and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Here you can tap on it, tap on reset and now you can see reset all settings and reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings. Here you can see enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, you can pop up reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings to reset the network settings only without losing any data. So guys, if all this solution is not working, then you go to the nearest Apple store to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.